Fifth grade Shirley method, page 17, part 1. So classify each sentence. My dad advanced the hands of the clock to the correct time. Who advanced the hands of the clock to the correct time? Subject, noun. What is being said about dad? Advanced. And that is a verb. Advanced what? Hands. Are hands the same thing as dad? No, so it's the direct object. This becomes the verb transitive. The, who's dad? My. Possessive pronoun adjective of preposition of what? The to what? Okay, what time? The pattern. Okay, and then of the clock. Prepositional phrase. To the correct time. Period. Go back to the verb. Divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? No. Is the sentence in natural or inverted order? Natural. Okay. The club's president devised a new plan for a camping trip. Who devised a new plan for a camping trip? Alright, so president is the subject noun. What is being said about the president? Verb. Devise what? Plan. Is plan the same thing as president? Nope, it's the direct object. Devise becomes the verb transitive. What kind of plan? A. For what? What kind of trip? A. Who's president? The club. So we know it's an adjective, right? And it has an apostrophe S, so it's a possessive noun adjective. The pattern. Okay. Let's see, for a camping trip. Period. Go back to the verb. Divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. And divide. Is there an adverb exception? No. Is this natural or inverted order? Natural. No, the farmer did not plant winter wheat during December. Who did not plant winter wheat during December? Subject. Noun. What is being said about the farmer? Plant. And did not plant, right? Okay. So plant is the what? Verb. Okay. Did is the helping verb and not is the adverb. Okay. And then did not plant what? Wheat. Right. Okay. Is wheat the same thing as farmer? No. So it's the direct object. Plant is the verb transitive. What kind of wheat? During what? The. And no is a what? Interjection. So I. Pattern. Subject, noun, verb, transitive, direct, object, pattern, to, check. Okay. Let's see. During December. Period. Go back to the verb. Divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Farmer and did. Is there an adverb exception? No, because it's after. And then is the sentence in natural or inverted order? Natural. So we don't have to change anything. Yes, Maggie's grandmother is enjoying her old age. Who is enjoying her old age? Nope. Grandmother. So grandmother is the subject noun. What is being said about grandmother? Is enjoying. So enjoying is the verb. Is the enjoying what? Old age, right? So age. So is age the same thing as grandmother? No. So it's the direct object. And enjoying becomes the verb transitive. Who or what kind of age? Adjective. Whose age? PPA, possessive pronoun adjective. Whose grandmother? Possessive noun adjective because there's an apostrophe S, right? And then yes is an interjection. Pattern, subject, noun, verb, transitive, direct object, pattern to check. Okay, we don't have any prepositional phrases, period. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. In between grandmother and is there an adverb exception? No. Is the sentence in natural or inverted order? Okay, so on a notebook paper, add the part that is underlined in parentheses to make each fragment into a complete sentence. So what you guys can do is you can just turn your paper and you guys can write it over here along the side. Okay? So number 1, on the shelf in the back room. Okay, so what could we write there? Okay, so number 1, the book was on the shelf in the back room. Okay, number 2, bumped and clattered down the stairs. So they want us to add the subject part. What can we say bumped and clattered down the stairs? Okay, the dog bumped and clattered down the stairs. Okay. Number 3, the bright sunlight at the cave entrance. So they say we don't have the predicate part. So we need to rewrite what we had, right? The bright sunlight at the cave entrance. And then can we say hurt my eyes? Okay. The bright sunlight at the cave entrance hurt my